Today we're gonna make another cooking video, which is macaroni and cheese. Alright, so macaroni and cheese, it's like our favorite food ever, like besides spaghetti. Okay, and this is the ingredients. We got macaroni, obviously. Macaroni. This is 200 grams to 250 grams. We got 600 milliliters of milk, and then flour, 2 tablespoons, garlic, ground beef here, and then oh my gosh, smoked beef here, and then nutmeg. This is called nutmeg. And then mozzarella cheese here. You can change into quick melt cheese or cheddar cheese if you want. Salt. I have salt over here. And then pepper. And butter. Butter, yeah, butter. Or margarine. Alright, let's get started. Yes. Okay, first we're gonna heat up the pan. Careful now. That's enough. Yeah. We're gonna wait until the pan is hot. Okay, so the pan's already hot. Now we're gonna put some butter. Butter. Wait, I'm gonna use the one that is almost done. Okay. You can put how much butter you want to put. Whoa, butter. Squirting out. Butter. Just a little bit. Smell the bottle. The bottle. I smell the bottle. The butter. Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough butter. Now we're gonna just roll it around a bit. Oh, I think it's too hot. Okay, now I'm gonna put garlic. Okay, garlic. Oh, that's garlic. Ooh. Smells good already. Use the garlic. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, we're gonna wait until the garlic is brown and smells good. Ooh. You just need to stir it with, with the spatula. Don't forget a spatula. Make it nice and brown. Yep. Nice and brown. Okay, after that, we are gonna put our ground beef. Okay, wait. Before we put it in, I'm scared if it's gonna. I'm just gonna lower the heat. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! I'm just gonna stir it up until I see the smoke. Yeah. Okay, wait. Put it up a little. There you go. Okay, so until we're gonna cook it until the beef is gray. And it smells really good. Yeah. Gonna stir it up. Ooh. Can't wait. I think think I made the beef fall a little. Okay, we're gonna wait until the ground beef is cooked and have like the so windy until the water from the ground beef is gone. Oh, and yeah, we already cooked the macaroni here, so we're just gonna give you the ingredients of the sauce of the macaroni. To cook the macaroni, you just need like water, obviously, and then salt and some oil. Just gonna wait until it's soft. Soften. Okay. After the ground beef is already cooked, now we are gonna put the smoked beef. We use 6 smoked beef. Yeah. We got a lot of smoked beef. Okay, put it in. A little bit more. There we go. Now we mix it up. Pump up. Okay. We're gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper too in the beef, so it tasted good. Yeah. Wait a second. Put some salt. Get a spoon here.
Don't put too much.
Yeah, it will be too salty. Maybe this much. Okay, here. I'm gonna put some salt.
That's enough.
And some pepper. Enough. Okay, now we mix it up until the smoked beef is cooked. Of course.
Of course it's going to be cooked. Why would it be raw?
Raw beef. That's not good. Right. Just gonna mix it up. Mix.
Mix it up.
Mix it up.
Yep.
Okay. I kind of want to sneeze because of the pepper.
Me too. Lots of smoke.
Ooh. Okay, after the smoked beef is cooked and the ground beef is here, now we're gonna put the 2 tablespoons of flour.
Flour.
Okay. Just gonna put it over there. And the milk. Don't forget 600 milliliters. Ooh, do you see the butter?
Yeah, I see the butter.
Particles? Okay, and I put a little bit of cup because that cup is not enough.
Yeah.
So, now we're just gonna mix it up again until it thickens.
Yeah.
It became thick. Okay, so a little bit of a tip here. If you're working on milk, if you're cooking milk, you have to stir it up every time. You cannot leave it there, or it will like make this weird kind of milk. Okay, we're just gonna mix it up. Okay, after you put the flour and the milk here, it became thick like this.
Ooh.
I added a little bit of salt and pepper because we don't think it's enough. So you can put how many salt and pepper you want.
Yeah.
All right, this is enough. Now is the nutmeg. Yeah, yes, you can put how many you want, whatever you want. we're gonna put. Ooh, wow. Maybe just a little bit more.
Ooh, I like it how it's like sizzling.
Yeah,
Bubble.
I think that's enough. Okay, and then mix it up. Well, we are making like a big size, so if you want to like divide it, it's fine. After the okay. After the nutmeg is mixed in this sauce, now we're gonna put the mozzarella, the cheese.
I like how mozzarella stretch.
Yeah, but maybe this one doesn't stretch because we put a little bit of mozzarella just for the cheese part.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna mix it up until the cheese is melted in the sauce. Ooh. Yeah, the cubes is still there. That's why we need to melt it.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. Whoa. Look at that.
Oh no!
Oh no, no. I dripped a little. No. Oh.
I can still see.
Okay. Let me put aside then.
Yeah.
So it looks clean. There's still a little bit of mozzarella. We need to make it melt.
Oh my gosh.
There's no cubes. Okay. So windy.
No.
Alright. Okay.
Can't wait to eat.
Okay. I think the mozzarella is already melted. All of them.
Yep.
Look at the sauce. It's the sauce.
Sauce.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna turn off the stove. There we go. And then we're gonna put the sauce to the macaroni.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a little. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Careful.
Okay. Okay everyone, so this is our mac and cheese recipe. You gotta try it. This is so good. Okay. Let's try it. Well, you try. Wait, let me grab the smoked beef too. Okay. Here you go. And now I'm gonna try it. It's so creamy. I love it. Okay everyone, I hope you liked this video. Subscribe and share this video. And if you want to try this recipe, go on to it. Okay then, bye everyone.